Okay, so here's the game that you have here. You have the drop-down bar here. So if you have one region you're really struggling with, you can choose that. If you're doing really well with the regions, you can drop all the way down where it says all countries and nothing else. And that'll give you guys another challenge where you don't have
Czech Republic,
them going specifically in a region, but
Russia,
can be anywhere on the board.
Lithuania,
So that'll make it a little bit more difficult.
Denmark,
as well. So that's another
Serbia,
option you can do if you're doing really well. If you are struggling, you can go through different regions. The one region that seems to be the biggest struggle is Southeastern Europe. I'm going to go through a few hints on this one in case you need help. So you have this area here, which is what's causing a lot of people problems. For this, I really look at Serbia, which is this country here. And most all the countries are touching Serbia on this map. You have Turkey that's not, Greece that's not, you have Cyprus and Slovenia that aren't. Albania no longer touches Serbia, but it did up until a few years ago. So Serbia is kind of the center of all this. And all this here used to be one country, and now it's split up due to different ethnic groups and wars and fighting. So you find Serbia, that gives you an idea to kind of break this region down a little bit smaller. And then Albania is this country down here. And this is Bosnia and Herzegovina. This is Montenegro, Albania, you have Bulgaria, and Macedonia. So each one of these kind of follows a trend, and you can kind of look at it. It looks like maybe like a dove with its wings open, or some people think it looks like a moose head. But this little check mark here, you have BMA, BMA for the first letters of each one of these. So you have Bosnia, Montenegro, Albania, you have Bulgaria, Macedonia, Albania. So one way to remember this is Bulgaria, like a bulge is big. That's the bigger of the two. And then you have Macedonia. You can remember Macedonia because it is where Alexander the Great came from, and he conquered Greece. So this one's the one directly above Greece. And you have Albania. So you have Bosnia, Montenegro, Albania. You have Bulgaria, Macedonia, Albania. So that kind of puts these there. Croatia's here. So Croatia looks a little bit like a croissant, or it looks like a C. You have Cyprus, which is in the sea. You have Slovenia, which is a little bit separate from the rest. Serbia is in the center. Kosovo is carved into Serbia. You have Romania, and then Greece and Turkey. So those are the kind of ways I use to kind of remember this and kind of break this region down a little bit. So I'll go through it real quick.
Turkey, former Yugoslav Republic of Macedonia.
So remember, you have BMA, BMA. Macedonia is the one right above Greece because of Alexander.
Albania.
So BMA, BMA, there's Albania. Slovenia is separate.
Romania.
Romania is up
Cyprus.
here. Cyprus is in the sea.
Serbia.
Serbia is in the center.
Montenegro.
So you have BMA, BMA. This is Montenegro.
Croatia.
Croatia looks like a C or a croissant.
Bulgaria.
You have BMA, BMA. The bigger of the two is Bulgaria.
Bosnia.
You have BMA, BMA. Bosnia is up here. So there's a way that you can use to kind of break this region down and make it a little bit easier for you guys. If there is another region you're struggling with, you can choose those from the drop-down menu.
Slovakia.
Or if you are doing really well at this, and instead of going by region,
Iceland.
you can go all countries.
Greece.
So if you get 60 seconds or less with the by regions with 100%, please let the teacher know, and they can write down a score, and I can get that updated today. Or if you're getting 100% with the regions and you're doing pretty well and ready for a new challenge, you can drop down to all countries. This is without regions, and it will give you
Spain.
the countries without regards to regions or
Monaco.
anything, which will make it a little bit more difficult for you.
Norway. Denmark.
So continue to work on this today. Let me know if you have any questions or any problems. If you get a great score, 100% with 60 seconds or less with regions, or 100% in 90 seconds or less without the regions, please let the teacher know so the teacher can record them and I can get that updated as well. All right, any questions, let me know. Please email me, and I'll talk to you guys this later or tomorrow. So talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.